Here's an online tool. It has a bit of ads. So you can click on X's to get rid of ads, or just ignore them. But if you scroll down to the quiz navigator, okay, looks like maybe, I don't know if this will work in school, but if you click, so this quiz navigator says take a customized quiz with all the equations up through the fact you choose below. So what you do is you scroll down and you select 6 times 9, and then it'll make a quiz for you. And so I'll type in, so my name actually appeared automatically. You can put, so I didn't try it with hints, that's interesting. But then it says start self-correcting quiz. I'll just click start, and here we go. 21. 6 times 7, 42. You might have to use paper to work it out. 4 times 8, 32. 28. How well do you know your math facts? Can you rattle through them? No problem. Lickety split. Like I said, definitely use paper and use strategies in order to get the accurate answer. Also, try doing this several times. I don't have a problem with you giving me your best work. Additionally, you may use the hints option. Give that a try. Let me know how it works for you. But do not use a calculator or have somebody tell you the answers. I want you to use this to help you memorize. If you're not quite ready for this kind of a quiz, feel free to fill in one of the multiplication table charts and put a screenshot of that in the slideshow. I'm actually going to do this one wrong on purpose so you can see what it looks like when you get something wrong. This is a fun tool that you can use to quiz yourself. It'll give you the correct answers, tell you which ones you got wrong, and it even points out the ones that you struggled on, like maybe you put the wrong answer and then you clicked clear. You'll see at the end. And then check it out, it gives you your information. As you can see, the online tool shows you your answers. The yellow is, I believe, the one that I accidentally typed the wrong numbers and had to clear my answer and go back. So it's almost like a caution color. And then the red one I had gotten wrong. After completing the quiz, just take a screenshot of your work, the outcome, and put that in the slideshow.